Hello, my lovely English learners. Welcome back to another listening and speaking practice. Today, we are doing something very important and very particular for your English journey. This is your Shadowing speaking challenge, a simple way to speak out loud, build confidence, and feel more comfortable using English. So, let me ask you, how are you feeling today? Did you have a good moment or maybe a difficult one? Either way, I'm really glad you are here with me now. And I want you to remember this. Showing up matters more than being perfect. Now, let's be honest together. Listening alone is not enough. If you want to speak English better, you must open your mouth and use your voice. But I know starting to speak can feel scary. You may feel shy or unsure or worried about mistakes. And this is exactly why we're doing shadowing today. Shadowing means you listen to my voice and then you repeat. You copy the sound and the rhythm, the nature flows of the sentence. You don't need to think too much. You don't need to translate. Just listen and then speak. This is not about sounding perfect. That is about getting used to speaking English with your body, your mouth, your breath, your voice. If you speak slowly, that is completely fine. If you make mistakes, that is even better. Mistakes means you are listening. Please remember this. It is not about how long you study. It is about how often you practice. 5 minutes every day is much better than one long study session once a week. So if you are here right now, you're already doing something right. Today we will practice 30 simple English sentences. I will say each sentence clearly in a calm British accent. After each sentence, there will be a short pause. That pause is your time to repeat after me. Follow the subtitles on the screen and watch the highlight words. They will help guide you, and yes, please speak out loud, even if it feels strange at first. This practice is perfect for the earlier stage of speaking English. Don't rush. Don't try to do everything at once. Small steps taken every day. So, are you ready? Take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and let's start speaking together. Welcome to your shadowing challenge. My name is Brain, and I am very happy to practice English with you today. You might be wondering why shadowing works so well, and why we are using this accent. Great questions. Shadowing is one of the best ways to train your listening, your speaking, at the same time. When you shadow, you don't just hear English. You repeat it, you feel it, you experience how sentences move. Your mouth slowly learns how English sounds are made. Your brain slowly learns how English sentences are built. And with time, you begin to sound more natural, more relaxed, and more confident. As for the accent, this is simple the way I speak. As for the accent, this is simple the way I speak. It's clear, gentle, and easy to follow. But remember, the goal is not the accent, whether it is British, American, or Australian English. The goal is the same, to help you understand and express yourself clearly. So, don't worry about sounding perfect. Focus on the rhythm, the stress, and the flow. Listen carefully, then speak with me. And if it's not perfect, that is completely okay. Your listening and learning take times. Shall we begin with our first session of sentences? Let's do it together. Before we start, I want to ask you one thing. Please don't give up. Not today, not tomorrow. That is your speaking challenge, and you can do this. This is day 1 of your 5 days speaking journey, and you are strong enough to continue. Here are the instructions. I will say a sentence, you listen, then you speak. You can pause the video and practice again if you want. Follow the subtitles, watch the highlighted words. Feel the rhythm, hear the sound, and speak with me. That is all you need to do. Let's begin. I am learning English. I am learning English. I am learning English. Very good. I'm okay with making mistakes. I'm okay with making mistakes. I'm okay with making mistakes. Nice work. I understand a little more every day. I understand a little more every day. I understand a little more every day. Great. I feel good about my progress. I feel good about my progress. I feel good about my progress. Well done. I enjoy practicing English. I enjoy practicing English. I enjoy practicing English. You are doing very well. I listen carefully. I listen carefully. I listen carefully. Excellent. Let's keep going. I speak slowly and clearly. I speak slowly and clearly. I speak slowly and clearly. Good. I practice every day. I practice every day. I practice every day. Nice. I believe I can improve. I believe I can improve. I believe I can improve. Wonderful. I trust my progress even when it feels slow. I trust my progress even when it feels slow. I trust my progress even when it feels slow. Great job. That is our first 10 sentences. Take a breath, you are doing amazing. Now we'll move on to slightly longer sentences. Just a little longer, nothing difficult. Stay relaxed. My effort today helps my English grow tomorrow. My effort today helps my English grow tomorrow. Excellent. I'm growing even when I feel unsure. I am growing even when I feel unsure. Very nice. My learning journey matters even if it takes time. My learning journey matters even if it takes time. Great. I speak to express myself, not to be perfect. I speak to express myself, not to be perfect. Well done. I build confidence, one word at a time. I build confidence, one word at a time. Lovely. I improved every time I practiced. I improved every time I practiced. Fantastic. Let's continue. I understand more than I realized. I understand more than I realize. I understand more than I realize. Good. Speaking out loud helps me learn faster. Speaking out loud helps me learn faster. Nice. I show up even when it feels uncomfortable. I show up even when it feels uncomfortable. Excellent. Every mistake teaches me something new. Every mistake teaches me something new. Amazing. You have completed 20 sentences already. That is something to be proud of. Smile for a moment. You deserve it. Ready for the final 10? Take a sip of water, relax your face, and let's continue. Every day I feel more confident in English. Every day I feel more confident in English. Great. Speaking clearly is something I can learn. Speaking clearly is something I can learn. Nice. I'm proud of my progress even when it's small. I'm proud of my progress even when it's small. Well done. English is not impossible. It is just new. English is not impossible. It is just new. Excellent. I learn something every time I try. I learn something every time I try. Good C. I'm building strong habits with my English today. I'm building strong habits with my English today. Lovely. My English improves each time I speak. My English improves each time I speak. Great work. Small practice creates real progress. Small practice creates real progress. Almost there. I'm patient with myself, and I'm learning. I'm patient with myself, and I'm learning. The last one. This is the beginning of my English confidence. This is the beginning of my English confidence. Beautiful. You did it. You complete 30 shadow sentences with me. That is not a small thing. You show up. You used your voice and you practiced. This is how real progress begins. Today was the day 1 of your speaking challenge. And you should feel proud. If you ever feel unsure or needed support, come back to this practice and do it again. Every repetition makes you stronger. Thank you for practicing with me. And keep going and keep smiling. And I will see you in the next session. And brain, see you.